joined the polo organization and she still wanted to wear his clothes. He wondering what's wrong with this bitch. I'm buying the album. I don't know about y'all. Mention the most evilest people you ever heard of in your life.
I wish I had one of those nuts right now.
Dungeon floor. Slope into undying gardens.
Oops, my bad. My tummy's hungry.
That's what we do. I already told y'all, I'm gonna give it a try.
All that running around made me hungry.
Them dreams once buried beneath the dungeon floor slowly sprout into undying